With the continuation of my topic, that is geometrical construction of quadrilaterals, and today we will be going to construct a rectangle. So let's begin. So I have a question here that construct a rectangle of sides 96 millimeters, 84 millimeters, measure and write down the length of each of the two diagonals. So I need to remember my properties of rectangle, that two opposite sides are parallel and equal of length. That means if I talk about two lengths of the rectangle which are parallel, which are opposite as well, they must be having 96 millimeters as given as one side, and the other two side would be 84 millimeters. And during construction we need to convert this in centimeters. After that we will be able to construct. So converting millimeters into centimeters, we need to divide the values by 10. That means this would be 9.6 centimeter and this would be 8.4 centimeter. So now look at the steps of construction, that we need to first construct a line segment of 9.6 centimeter, that is 96 millimeter, and we will name it AB. After that, we will place the sharp point of the compass at A and make an arc of 8.4 centimeter, that is 84 millimeter, above A. After that, place the protractor at point A and mark an angle of 90 degree above the line and join point A and mark point, cutting the arc drawn before and name it D. So this is again a property that it has the 90 degree at all the ends. The rectangle has 90 degree at all the ends, so we can use that property to construct our rectangle as well. After that, we will place the sharp point of the compass at B and mark an arc 8.4 centimeter, that is 84 millimeter, above B. So you can see that this arc is above A and this arc above B. They both are of same length. I have used the same length because they both have the same length, as it is a rectangle. Other than that, we have again placed our protractor at B and make 90 degree angle. These both are 90 degree, as all the sides of a rectangle is 90 degree. So we have used this property as well, and then we have joined this CD to obtain our rectangle. So we will look at this construction on a piece of paper, and then we will discuss about the answer. So now looking at the construction of the rectangle, we have been given two sides, that is 96 millimeter and 84 millimeter, and I have named it AB and BC. So when I need to draw this, as my scale is always in centimeters, so I need to convert it into centimeters, and conversion is 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters. So with that conversion, this turns out to be 9.6 centimeter, as I've divided by 10, and this turns out to be 8.4 centimeter. So now we will be plotting this on here, and then we will be discussing about the answers. So let's first construct it. So first construction step would be to draw 9.6 centimeter line, and we will name it AB. So here we can draw a line of 9.6 centimeter, and we will name it AB, 9.6 centimeters. After that, we need to draw BC, that is 8.4 centimeters. So we can open up an arc of 8.4 centimeters, this is 8.4, and now we will keep it at A first, and we will draw an arc, then we will keep it at B, and then we will draw an arc. The reason why I did this is because talking about the rectangle has opposite sides of equal length. That means if I talk about BC, if it is 8.4 centimeters, then AD would be of 8.4 centimeter as well, as they are both equal. This is the property of the rectangle, and this AB would be equals to CD. But first we need to construct the line that where we should place our compass to mark that 9.6 centimeter line. So we should recall one more property of the rectangle, that rectangle has a 90-degree on all the edges. So we can place our protector here, and we can mark 90 degrees here, and from here as well we can place our protector, and we can mark 90 degrees here as well. After that, we will extend our lines. This is my line, and this is my second line. So this is 90 degree, and this is 90 degree as well. This is 8.4 centimeters, and this is 8.4 centimeter as well. So now this point and this point, this is C and this is D. From here we can join CD, and we can complete our rectangle, where these two sides are parallel and they are equal, and these two sides are parallel and they are equal. So this is how you obtain a rectangle. So after obtaining this rectangle, I have made this rectangle here. This is 84 millimeters both sides, and this is 96 millimeter both sides. We need to measure the diagonals of this rectangle, and as we know as from the properties that diagonals of the rectangles are equal of length, that means this length, this straight line, dotted line, and this straight dotted line would be of equal length. Other than that, we can measure it from here and we can get our diagonal. So we will place our ruler here. From here to here we will measure the length, that is the diagonal, and it will turn out to be 12.8 centimeter in both the cases of the diagonals. So this was the solution of this question. So I'll be coming up with the different quadrilaterals in the upcoming videos, so stay tuned.